My name is Ross Young with Nebraska Game and Parks, and today I want to show you what I carry with me when I go on a day hike in the woods. And it's going to be a selection of survival gear and what I call get found gear. So to start off with, I always carry with me a backpack, and in that backpack there's certain items I always have with me. The first thing I always have with me is a water bottle. Now mine's a special type of water bottle. Not only can this hold water, but if you notice, there's what's called a filter system on this. So what I can do with this is if I run out of water, I can actually put this in any stream, put the filter on it, and drink directly from the stream. Normally, you would not want to do that without having some type of filter system. Otherwise, you might get sick from drinking that water. So water bottle is the number one thing I always have with me on a hike. Second thing for survival gear that I carry with me is in case I get lost and have to spend the night in the woods, I have a outdoor survival blanket. Takes up very little room, but can keep you warm enough to stay alive during the night. Second item, I have an emergency rain poncho. Not only can it be used as a poncho to keep you dry from the rain, but again, you can learn how to use this to make a shelter if you have to sleep overnight in the woods. Some type of cordage or paracord is always good to have with you when you're out in the woods for helping making shelters. A simple 55-gallon trash bag. Again, multiple uses. You can create shelters. You can use it to protect yourself from the rain. You can also fill it with leaves and use it as bedding when you're sleeping at night, overnight in the woods, to help keep you warm. Other gear. I always have a pocket knife, compass, flashlight, a duct tape for doing repairs to clothing or equipment, and then I also have a fire making kit. In this tin, I have a lighter, and I have cotton balls and Vaseline for helping start fires. And if I want to be old-fashioned, I have the flint and steel for starting the fire. Now the next items I have are what I call my get found kit, because if you get lost in the woods, you might be able to survive the night, but you need to have some way to help people find where you're at. Now, the number one thing about getting found where you're at is when you do go for a hike, let somebody know exactly where you're gonna be. But here are the things that I carry with me in my get found kit. Number one, I have an orange bandana. The orange can be seen for miles around, so you can tie this to a limb to mark where you're at. My second item, and probably what I think is the most important, is a safety whistle. On a whistle, if you are lost in the woods, the signal that you're in distress is 3 whistle blasts. That will signal somebody that you are in trouble and need help. And then last but not least, I have the good old-fashioned signal mirror. And I'm able to keep all of these items except for the water bottle in just a 1-quart Ziploc bag. I put all of these items in this Ziploc bag and I carry it with me on every single backpacking trip or day hike that I take.